Hello guys, welcome to part 2. We're gonna make the actual play part. If you know, if you know, last episode we made this program, this proof of concept that basically us will make on board. But the problem is we can place anything, we can run anything. So part 2, this part is, we're gonna make the actual play part. First we make how it works, how we can save. Like V3, V1. This guy is gonna call it, I don't know, PySM followed by semicolon. So we can know this is the version, not version. We can use it to confirm because every every sum machine has something like this. M1, F3, F1 to know which version it is. So we're gonna make this. Next, we're going to make how we can print, how we can put. We can do like this, which basically means we're gonna, for each, we have to put the size, etc. So what we're gonna do is make the size like this, something like this, 25 and 25, or this case 5, then the cells. But this case, I'm going to make something very special. Let me search because I forgot. So if I remember, 32, 32, hold on. Okay, the printable. The print of ASCII characters are between 32 and 127. 27. So what we're gonna do is set 32 equals 0. So if you do the calculation, 5, this cuts, so it's 12. 12 minus 3, 9. Until 29. So theoretically we can support all this. So 29, 25, sorry, 9, like this. So if we're gonna make like 5, instead we're gonna make like this. 5 basically means $2 signs. I just said $2 signs. So we're gonna like this. Next, for instead of the whole, we're gonna for each cell it's present, we're gonna make it actual work. Like if there is a mover cell in 0, 1, which is now I'm gonna show you 5 by 5. Deu 5 by 5. So I'm gonna show you. Then you like if 0, 1 it's gonna be like here. And let's say I don't know, push cell in 0, 2, like here. So I'm gonna do is take this position like this. Push cell. It's gonna mover cell is gonna be 0. So 0 is basically space. So we're gonna do like space. Next, gonna take outer space for 0. Then the exclamation mark because it's 1. Next, we're gonna do the same. Exclamation mark space because it's 0. Then something like this. Oh, sorry, file's gonna open up like this. So here should look like. Of course, it's not the greatest, but we're making in Python, so it doesn't matter anyway. Sorry, it's my mom playing this shit. Cancel. So now after printing, I'm gonna for I in board, for J in I, you're gonna do something. You have to put this all in a while loop, while true. Shit, you're not supposed. Like this, so we don't lose. We're gonna import time because we don't want our machine explode, so we're gonna make the time of around one fourth of a second. So now we have this. There is no setup last time. I set up like this with 0, 0. It's because this one's the which type. The second one is basically which rotation 1 to 4. So we're gonna do something like gonna do this for this this those clockwise clock this goes anti-clockwise. So it's for each one. It's gonna be in order, but anyways, if j j0 equals 1, it's gonna oh shit, you have to move. I'm gonna make a new one. Move board. You're gonna have to make a lot of small functions, help functions, because it's gonna be very complicated very fast. Move I j. In fact, I'm gonna index I j in index. In this case, I j. We don't need this part index. So now I'm gonna do like just to stop the shit. For I in board, actually I have for j in board of I. Hold on. For j in I. Well, I don't need this. So I'm gonna make this if uh, if if j if j1 equals 0, hey, equals 0, which means it's the right direction. So like like 0 equals left, 1 equals down, 2 equals right. Oh no, fuck, I forgot. This is actually right, it's 2 is left, and 3 is up. Like this. If equals 0, we call this because it's integers, then yeah, I'm gonna do like this. For j and I, you're gonna temporary. Wanna make an recursive because it's not gonna need loops. Temp temporary. No, I'm gonna make it look fuck it. I don't want recursive. I hate recursive. But while true, so we're gonna make like this. The J1, you have to make that temporary. No, gonna make temporary equals. Hold on. For and I. Hold on. I forgot. Hold on. So basically we got J is each cell. I. Okay, you're gonna need index. Fuck. Okay, we're gonna make index. So now we're gonna take this, like this, right? We're gonna index J. Uh, for now, we're gonna just print and exit and break. So, and we have to make another function to get load code like this. It will check if code until 3 is equal space PMC equals 4. If not, gonna return -1. I don't want to erase, I don't want to try blocks on my shit, my fucking code is, my code's already shit enough. So after this equals 0, actually 4 because while e is less than length of code, then cap, then offset 32. If, no, we don't need any ifs. You're gonna take the first character, this case you're gonna take conf plus, you add append in this case, dot append. I have to make a lot of decisions. See how much time we have. 12 minutes. Only. In 3 minutes. Okay, let's be clear. Call character of code of I, because this is a string, minus offset. Then we print conf. Then here, move to code. This case for now, load input. It is gonna print. So now we're gonna quickly test in our example. This case, new. No, hold on. I forgot. Load. Hold on. What is this again? Open. Okay. Open. Special code cannot be interpreted as an integer. Oh yeah, this has to be ordered. You have to convert, not to convert into characters. Sorry guys, I wasted how much? 30 minutes. So now we're gonna open code and stick forever because I forgot to add here. Open. This case, I think it's called. I think this is it. Open. Shit. Open. 5511. Nope. So I'm gonna change here real quick. 5. This. See, it's supposed to be 1. I think. So I'm gonna make like this. Then with this, it should be a like this. Sorry guys. Forgive me guys, please. I'm just 13 years old. Uh, 4, 0. Nah, it works now. So yeah, this is part 2. Sorry for the many times I failed. I hope you like it, subscribe, and I see you next time.